Hey, welcome back to Nick Big Locks. Today I have a Squire 660. It's a yellow belt lever padlock. It's got 4 levers in it. That's the key. Oh, but trying to learn levers and figure this out. There we go. So we have the Nigby set that we'll be using to pick this. I've picked it a few times off camera, trying to learn it and figure it out. Got it to where I'm semi-consistent with it, and it doesn't take 40 minutes to get through a pick. So get that on camera, and I don't really talk during the pick, but down the road we'll do a video discussing lever locks and approaches to them and the feedback and different things like that. So, but we'll get over to the picking, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thanks. So there's the pick of the 660. Like I said, I'll make another video down the road. Look down in there. Make another video down the road talking about approaches to picking lever locks and the feedback and how to do it or whatever. But if nobody told you, you matter, you're important, and I'm glad you're here. Y'all have a good one.
Juno, you want to subscribe?